Hi everyone, thanks for coming back for another swatch video. Today we're finally going to swatch the entire Profusion Goldrush palette. This is a beautiful palette from a recent haul. I just want to open it a little bit for you. Just kind of got these sticky things here. I'm going to start at the top left and work my way across and then go down. So let's just get started. So if you see some shaking, it's because I'm trying to get pigment on my fingers. I'm going to try to control it. Also, if you see a little glitter or a little bit of staining, there's like some weird purple on here. That's from previous swatches. Like, I'm perfectly fine. Sorry about my nails. That's just how it is with anxiety and lots of animals. First one is a straight up pressed glitter called Goddess. Oh, Lord. You know, I could just watch these without me talking, but I just love going back and seeing my first reaction to these shades. This is a little bit like what I call a glitter gel. It's got like a gel consistency that the glitter is stuck in, so I don't know what to call it exactly. But Goddess is a great, great name for it. Then we've got Shaker. Very pretty, like pink champagne, kind of metallic. This is called Illusion. Ooh, gorgeous shimmer. That's like a straight up champagne. And then this one's called Wow. It started out kind of, oh gosh, kind of marbly. But now that I've swatched it a couple times and played with it, it's kind of lost that. That was loud. Hi. Sorry, gotta do a cat break. Next one's called Slippers. It might not show up on me. It's a very fair, almost white matte. This is for shading or maybe, you know, setting lids. I don't know if it would show up in inner corner. It might. This one's called Mod. This is a straight up metallic. It's like a goldy pink. I'm really bad at metallics, so tell me what you think it is. This is called Shimmy. Almost said shimmer, but it's shimmy. Like dancing, and it's a straight up metallic gold. Hello, what are you from? It's not a bruise, it's like a blue swatch. What did I did blush before this. What's going on? As soon as you touch these glitters to something, they get on it. So yeah, be careful. Okay, so my phone was literally at 1%, so I had to charge it for a bit. But we should be good to go now. And I couldn't fit all three rows on my arm anyway, so gave me an excuse to rinse it off. Next one is called Headliner. It's a metallic yellow. It's not really a gold. I would call it a yellow, but call it what you want. This one's called Busy Bee. And unfortunately, it's another matte yellow that just isn't quite as opaque as it should be. I think yellows are hard to formulate, which is probably why a lot of palettes don't have a ton of them. You can build these up for sure. But yeah, that's like the brightest yellow in here. Next one is called Winner. This is like a rose gold metallic or shimmer. And then we have one called Starship, which is getting more into like a copper or... What are pennies made out of? Copper, yeah. Next one is very smooth and it has some shimmer in it. It's like a peachy tan. Not as pretty in the swatch as it looks in the pan. Next one is called Camel. Oh, I went over the other one. That's how like light it was. Hold on. All right, putting this likable shade back on here. It's not the greatest, but then we have Camel. This looked a little more, yes, this is a lot more pigmented. It's like a tan, a little bit of orange in there. We've got Studio, which is a deeper coppery bronze. All right, come on, yellows. These should be, if they're strong, then this palette wins something. I don't know. This is called Buttercup. Oh, man, it's sheer again. It looks gorgeous in the pan. It's like a pale to medium yellow with some shimmer in it. I don't really see any shimmer at all here. Next one should be stunning. It's called Enlighten. Yeah. Strong metallic gold, very pretty. And then this one's called Serendipity. It looks like a, yeah, like a school bus yellow. I think this is the best one formula-wise so far. Like, I like this color, but I mean, this one's kind of the darkest matte. This is the problem with these yellow palettes, is that either the yellows aren't great or there's not many of them. So far, I think this is better than the Citrine palette, which I like, you know, and it's 10 shades, but I think the formula is doing a little better with Goldrush. It could also be my skin tone that, you know, or the fact that I've swatched a million things today, but I think it has more to do with the formulation of the yellows. This is called Glorious. It's like a bronzy brown. This has a lot more red in it. Focus. I'm just gonna have to go up on my hands here. A metallic brown, kind of like a neutral or cool tone brown. And we've got a matte called Boost. It's a nice terracotta orange matte, and Brown Sugar, which is darkest brown. Doesn't look a whole lot darker than Boost, but I think you can, yeah, you can darken it a bit. So here are rows 2 and 3 of the Goldrush palette. As I already said, I think I like it better than the Citrine palette. There's definitely, you know, a little better formulation that could be going on here, but this palette was $4-ish. I think full price, it's only $8. And for $8 for 21 shades, and a lot of these are really good quality, but definitely worth it. So check out Profusion Cosmetics. You can check out the haul video that we have where we're unboxing all of these blind. Otherwise, you know, like and subscribe, all the stuff we're supposed to ask you to do, and we appreciate it. See you in the next one. Bye. Oh, let me make sure. Oh my god, am I recording? Alright, you guys stay quiet for a little bit. Good boy. Good boy. How do I have blue up here? What is going on? I broke a nail. Shoot. Now it's gonna like hurt. Oh, come on, we gotta finish this palette.